Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. I got like 2 seconds into it and realized that my mic was not working, so I'm just gonna try again. So I have my bow off. We're starting at number 4. I have my $10 in prep coins all ready to go, and I've already put my $10 of cash in my bank. So let's set those there. So I already put my $10 in the bank. And I was saying that I don't have my little mini screen to the side, so I'm not sure how everything's looking. So when I looked up in the camera, everything looked okay, but then I looked down at my mic and that was not working. So I was like, uh-oh. So we are going to go to number 4. This is where we are starting. One more little peek. All right, I'm using the lavender D3 dice today. Wow, that took a jump. So 2 coins going to number 4. Oh my goodness. 3 for 5. So I hope you are having a wonderful Sunday, a wonderful Easter if that's what you celebrate. 1 for number 6, and then we're going to go back to number 1. Babe and I are not really doing much today. I am going to be recording. Oh my goodness, with the dice shooting out of the dice tower. Lots of recording. 1 for number 3, which is never fun. Editing. Oh my goodness. Can you still see that? Yeah, it's a 1. 5 is getting 2. I can't do 2 things at once. 2 for 6. 2 for number 1. 1, 2, and 3 for number 2. And 3 for 3, but it only gets 2. All right, so, but it got $1. All right, so let's scoot this out of the way. Cute. Okay. So number 1. Number 1 got $1.25. So yeah, Babe and I aren't doing much today. I think I have a lot of videos to record and edit, and I have a lot of dice to bling and orders to work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 25 cents. All right. And I did not grab the same color, but that is totally fine. The super cute mini is from Becca Budget 777. I love the blue and white for the little lemonade stand. Love blue and white stripes. All right, number 2. Wow. Oh my goodness. Number 2 got a lot. Number 2 got $2.75. This one is from Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 25 and 50 and 75. So we'll take those away. Then we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25, 50, 75, and then another $1. All right, so this little crabby only needs 75 more cents. Wow, number 2 got a bunch. All right, number 3 got $1.75. That's awesome. And number 3 just needed $1. I'm nicer than my face looks from Kimmy's Corner. All right, so I'm going to put that $1 there. Grab the marker I need and color in these circles. I'll be right back. All right. This one saved us $4, so I can put that there, and we have 75 cents to go into a new one. Let's see, what is this one? Oh, this one is from it's Captain Snugglebeard. So I have a couple minis and tinies from Mama's Budget and More, and I thought I would put them all together. So if I do each one as a quarter all together, this will save us $6. So we have 75 cents. So let's start with this little one. So let's do a darker blue. So we can do 25, 50, and 75. So cute. She has a game, a couple games with Captain Snugglebeard, and then she just came out with a really, really cool book for Captain Snugglebeard on her latest launch. And I'll have her YouTube channel linked below. All right, 75 cents going into number 4. This one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 3 more little Coke Zeros. So 1, 2, and 3. 50 more cents. And this one will be done. All right, number 5. Number 5 got $1, $2.50. Sorry for the glare. Normally I'd be able to see that with my little side camera. All right, this one is from the traditional dollar. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1. So that takes that guy away. And then we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. That takes these 2 away. Oh, so close. And then 25 and 50. So we only need 25 more cents and this one will be done. So we should finish that one tomorrow. That one's from the traditional dollar. And then number 6 got $1. And this one is from Danny at Craftco Budgets, and that's exactly what we needed. So we finished this one for $3. Yay, so $1 and that's $1. So very cool. So let's get another one to put in here. What is this one? This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. There. Just to look like it was wearing off a little bit. So that will save us $3. So let's go back and put our prop coins away. And then we need to grab 4 and 3. So $7 out of the bank. So let's take a 5 and then 2 ones. And then, oh no, I didn't mark where we stopped. We stopped at 3, so we start again at 4. Okay. And then I put my completed money in here. And then we can add 2 more challenges to our completed challenge little envelope. So yay, day 5. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. And until next time, take care. Bye.